I was looking to get some Invisalign treatment. I didn't want it to be like sort of blinding, but I just, wanted them to look a little bit better. I live just down the road, so I saw that there was another dental practice here. I thought the website looked really good, so I thought I'd come in and have an initial appointment. Met Nav, and he was brilliant. We talked through what he could do for me. Really good in terms of explaining what the treatment would involve. Very knowledgeable, so I put my sort of trust in him, and the treatment was brilliant. He did a lot more work than just the Invisalign. He also replaced a crown on my tooth as well and did a whitening. I noticed it as well, as I'm a teacher, a lot of students are having it done more and more as well. It's quite different to, say, sort of normal dentists you perhaps go to. Just little things like they'll always greet you in terms of your name, coffee, tea, things like that. It's really relaxed in the sort of waiting room. Classic, when you go to doctors or dentists, you're always sitting there for 15, 20 minutes longer than your appointment. That's rarely been the case. If so, they'll sort of let you know if anything's running late. And the whole team treat you really well. So I was really impressed with that in terms of first impressions and through every appointment I've had here. So.